Hi guys, today I'm gonna be restocking my fridge. So yeah, I'm gonna be just changing because I just came from work, and yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this because it's cozy, and yeah, putting my phone in there, and yeah, also gonna be getting a water bottle. Come on. Hi. Okay, I really don't know what I'm gonna get. Let me just get a bag real quick. Hey, can I leave my bag right here? Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can. Let me just put it right there. Okay, thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. There's no eggs, okay. I'm gonna get bread. One bread, I really need bread. Eggs, yes, there is. Eggs. I'm also gonna be getting tofu, fish, some pineapple, potato, pasta of course, and some cereal and jam. Okay, hello, what would you like to pay with? Card please. Okay, Apple Pay. Yep. Okay. Beep. 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 Beep, 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 beep. Oh my goodness, sorry. Go there. No problem. Okay, let me just pay real quick. Oh, sorry. Beep. Okay. Let me just put these in. And here you go. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I'm so... No, it's okay. It's so chaotic. Bye. Have a nice day. You too, miss. I'm gonna restock the fridge. No. Oh my goodness, I lost my voice. I don't know why. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna restock the fridge now. Mom. Yeah. I bought you eggs. Oh. Yeah. But I didn't know where to leave them. You can leave them right there, you know. Oh, you ate all the dumplings. I was planning to give you guys dumplings, but anyways. Okay, let's put these in. Oh my goodness. Go in there. The jam in there. Pineapple. And there again. Tofu there. Potato there. Fish there. Mom, why did you leave this? I actually don't know. Oh my goodness, so you quit, Mom. But anyways, I'm gonna take this off and just left her phone in there. Just to prank her. Anyways, guys, that's my restock in my fridge. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, stay tuned for other videos that I'm gonna do, and I bet you they're gonna be at home.